In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a list with custom bullets in just a few simple steps. Whether you're working on a business report or spicing up a personal project, custom bullets are a fantastic way to add a unique touch to your work. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up using your word processor's built-in tools. To get started, you'll want to select the text or list you wish to format. This might be a bulleted list of items you already have in your document, or maybe you're planning to create one. Highlight the specific section that you want to change, and then let's move on to the ribbon at the top of your screen. Once you're on the Home tab of the ribbon, which is generally the default tab you'll see upon opening a document, head over to the Paragraph group of tools. You'll notice a bulleted list icon there. Go ahead and click the drop-down arrow next to it. This little arrow will reveal more options for managing the appearance of your bullets. Within this menu, we're going to be looking for an option labeled Define New Bullet. Now, click on Define New Bullet, and you'll see a dialog box pop up on your screen, giving you 3 different ways to create a customized bullet style. Your options include using a symbol, incorporating a picture, or changing the font. Let's begin with using a symbol as your bullet. After selecting the symbol option, you'll be prompted to choose from a variety of characters, such as arrows, stars, or check marks. This is your chance to be creative, so pick a symbol that aligns with the theme or tone of your document. Once you've decided, click OK to apply this symbol to your list. It's a simple choice, yet it can make a significant impact on the visual appeal of your work. If you're interested in using a different font character for your bullets, like something from the Wingdings, Webdings, or symbol fonts, go ahead and click on the font option. Change the font style to one that's decorative. These fonts offer a range of unique symbols that aren't found in standard typefaces. Select a character that you find appealing and click OK to apply it. Even though there are multiple options, we'll focus on using a symbol bullet in this instance for its versatility and ease of use. Once you've finished customizing your bullet, remember you can save your custom style for future reference. It'll be available right there in your bullet drop-down list the next time you want to add a personal touch to your document. This ensures you won't have to go through the customization process again and makes it straightforward to keep your formatting consistent across all your projects. And that's it. You now have a beautifully customized bulleted list that stands out and perfectly complements your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore these customization options with different documents and see how they can enhance your work.